Hi everyone, I'm Dr.D.Princy, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science with Cyber Security, Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science, Coimbatore. In this video, I'm going to continue about the process of encryption and decryption. In my previous video, we have seen the basics of cryptography. A cryptography is a category which encompasses under the field of cryptology. Cryptography is the study of methods for secure communication between the two parties. The main goal of this cryptography, it is used to exchange the messages in a secured channel. Cryptography can be further split into subfields, that is symmetric encryption, asymmetric encryption, and the hash functions. It provides data confidentiality, data integrity, authentication among the communication partners, and authentication of the data source. And also, the cryptography used in many fields, which includes online banking, email exchange, internet communication, mobile communications, and virtual private networks. Encryption. Encryption and decryption are the two processes which encompasses the cryptography. Cryptography, it is used to convert the data into a secret data which is shared in the secured channel among the communication parties. It consists two processes. One is encryption, another one is decryption. Encryption is the process of converting the original data, that is plain text, into the ciphertext. Generally, the ciphertexts are in the unreadable or meaningless form. Encryption algorithm uses the aside information which is called as the key. The key is used to convert the data into ciphertext. The key is shared with the recipient through a secured channel only. This is a simplified view of the encryption process and the decryption process, which uses the shared key K. Here, this is the sender side. The sender takes the plain text from the source device and using the key doing the encryption process. After that, it converted as the ciphertext. The ciphertext is transmitted to the receiver. A receiver receives the ciphertext. The receiver uses the same shared key and doing the decryption process. That is a converting process. Either they can use the symmetric algorithm or asymmetric algorithm or the hash function, and converted back to the plain text, which is stored in the recipient side as the sink. Decryption. Decryption is the reverse process of encryption. Encryption converts the plain text into ciphertext, as well as decryption converting the plain text into ciphertext into plain text by applying the mathematical transformation in the reverse order. For symmetric cryptography, both encryption and decryption process uses the same key. For asymmetric encryption, encryption uses the public key and decryption uses the private key. Because asymmetric encryption, asymmetric cryptography is the which uses the pair of keys. Data encryption process, a plain text encrypt the data and converted into ciphertext. Ciphertext, applying the decryption, it will convert back to the plain text. It uses the same key, master key. So it is based on the types of cryptography. Either a single key or a pair of key should be used. Cryptographic key. The main component element of cryptography is the cryptographic key. A key is a unique and a random generated key. It is also a session key which is used only for a particular period of time. It is mainly used for encryption as well as the decryption. Without key, we could not able to convert the plain text into ciphertext and ciphertext into plain text. The key must be exchanged between the communication partners in the secured data channel only. Otherwise, the unauthorized person or third party will access the keys to convert the text into convert the text in which way they want to send the data. The key should be kept as a secret and never be disclosed. If the key is disclosed, the previous and future communications will be encrypted with the same key is compromised. That means there is no meaning of the cryptography. Thank you all.